Good morning. Here, let's see. Unmute. Unmute.
Mine's on silent, but it's still my vibrate after the airplane mode.
So y'all don't have to be in on the camera at the beginning, just when you're testifying.
Okay.
So I'll
Thank
rotate the computer. Yes, so y'all don't have to lean in and be uncomfortable and just kind of move to the camera where they can.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning.
Melinda, I don't see many people on.
Good morning.
Good morning. We
Morning.
have, they're there, Judge. They'll be.
Are they?
We
Okay.
have the-
Then,
Judge, can
ma'am,
you see me?
I can see you. You're so pretty today.
I don't. I can't get you big. You're little bitty over there, but
Who knows?
yeah, we're double checking. I don't think there's enough on either, so we're checking. Just a minute.
Well, we can get started.
And I sent an updated docket to you as well this morning. Um,
Aaron gave me this one. I don't know if it was from this morning or.
Hey, how do I make them bigger?
But I see Melissa, she's ready. So let's go ahead and we can go ahead. Chambers County Probate Court come to order. Cause number 140, the state of Eugene Robert Buring. Is that close?
I need my list.
Yeah, Eugene Robert.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Miss. Is it
Hey,
Buring?
Judge, some of them,
Buring.
What'd you say, Melinda?
some of them may be coming on at 10:30. We had a civil and probate, and I'm wondering, don't worry about Robin. I'm wondering if some of them didn't get those instructions.
Well, we're gonna go ahead with this one. Go ahead
Okay.
and swear Ms. Buring
Will you
in.
tell them I'm in probate?
Right here?
Melinda, go ahead and swear Ms. Buring.
Yes, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're giving today is true and correct?
I do.
All right, you may proceed, ma'am.
Thank you. Would you please state your full name for the record?
Sharon Lynn Buring.
And how are you related to the decedent?
Thank you, Robin.
I'm the wife.
And did did Eugene Robert Buren die on or about March 22nd, 2020?
He did.
And he died in Baytown, Chambers County, Texas?
He did.
Okay. And was he residing at 5119 Lakeside Avenue, Baytown?
He was. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And to your knowledge, did Eugene Robert Buren die without revoking his handwritten will?
Yes.
Was there any children born or adopted after that will was made?
No.
At the time of the execution of the will, was Mr. Buring at least 18 years of age?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, was he of sound mind when he wrote that?
He was. Yes.
I'm not gonna do
Any
this.
marriages dissolve after that date?
No.
Has 4 years elapsed since we filed this petition and the death of Mr. Buring?
No.
Is the state of Texas or any other charity a devisee under his handwritten will?
No.
At the time of the death, he had property in about $250,000.
Yes.
Right, okay. And there's a necessity exists for the administration of his will, correct?
Yes.
Now, the will did not appoint an executor, did it?
No.
And you're the only devisee
No.
under this will? Is that correct? You're the only one that he gave property to?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, and you're asking that you be appointed an independent administrator of this estate, correct?
That's correct.
And is there any reason that you know of that you would be disqualified from being the administrator of this estate?
No.
And you're asking that the appraisers be waived, is that correct?
That's correct.
And I'm going to show you what's a copy of the will.
She's the only one on, and I have all these.
You see that document there? Can you turn around so the judge could see it? It's the one. Okay, and that's the second, the page. Is that his signature at the bottom of it?
That is his signature at the bottom.
Okay, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, everybody admits will to probate and authorize letters. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Judge, can he hear our background?
May we be excused?
You may be.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, I'm sorry. We had a civil one too, and we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more, 6 or 7 more that's what I'm thinking. Do you have somewhere to go at 10:30?
Yeah, but
I know.
if we got some, we'll go ahead and get them done. I'll just have to be running late.
No, I don't want you to run late. My bad, just a bad week. Let me see if I can get a hold of these and get them to get on, okay?
Okay, well, I'm just gonna hold
And our
on.
both. I do apologize.
Ask him about the background noise.
Can y'all hear our background noise?
Yeah, just mute yourself until you get ready to go. But I mean, it wasn't bad,
Okay.
so.
I'm gonna start coming up there. I was gonna try to do it at my desk.
No, that's all right. It wasn't bad. You're good.
Okay. Is Gabe with you?
No, apparently he's doing it remotely.
Yeah, I'm down in
Okay.
my office.
Hey, Gabe.
Okay,
How
Gabe,
you-
hold on. Can we just hang on, or can I send them these instructions and make sure that they can still get on?
Yeah, sure thing.
Okay. We'll be back with y'all in just a moment. I'll buzz you, okay?
Sounds good.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll do the
Sure thing. Have a good one.
background.
Okay. We'll be right back with you folks. We want to get the judge where he's going on time.
And just use your mute button back and forth, Melinda, because that's what I had to do whenever.
You know what I'm gonna do? I think I can do it like this, Robin, and find my email that I sent them all before.
Yeah. There you go.
I've already sent it to Lila and can you call Lila and David Gunn's office
Hey, Melinda,
for me?
Melinda,
And I'm gonna try to find that other one. Oh, dog it. Come on.
Gabe, can you mute Melinda?
Yeah, sure thing, sir.
Thanks.
They don't have, they've got the 1030 ones.
Hello?
Hi, Judge.
You back?
Yes, sorry about that. I jumped off too quickly.
Oh, you got another one?
Well, no, we have the same one, but it's a holographic will. I have the two witnesses here to prove his signature. Do you want that, or do you want us to just sign it and upload it?
Go ahead and, hey, you got the witnesses there. Go ahead and let's do it.
Okay. Taylor,
Lynn,
will you put it?
swear the witnesses in.
Yeah. Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Will
Hello,
you please state your name for the record?
it's Imelda Hernandez.
Let me go ahead and swear her in.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, so you got two of y'all there?
Yes.
If you'll both raise your right hand, swear to tell the truth, number the truth, so help you God. Say it. You swear to tell the truth.
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. You may proceed, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. Please state your name for the record.
Imelda Hernandez.
And how were you personally acquainted with Mr. Buring?
We worked together for 36 and a half years.
Together in what capacity?
In reproduction, in
Okay, so
drawing
you-
files.
You worked together,
That-
correct?
That's correct.
And in that work, you had the occasion to see his signature on many occasions?
That's correct.
Okay. And you're looking at the will that we have a copy of it? That I showed you
Yes.
earlier? At the bottom, is that Mr. Buring's signature?
It is.
Okay. And to your knowledge, at the date that he signed that, was he at least 18 and of sound mind?
Yes, he was.
Okay, I'll pass this witness, Judge.
No questions? You can call your next witness.
I call Ms. Farmer. Would you please state your full name for the record?
Pamela Farmer.
And how are you acquainted with Mr. Buring?
I worked with Gene at ExxonMobil.
Okay, and in that capacity, were you able to see his handwriting?
Yes, almost daily.
And so you're familiar with what it looks like?
Yes,
And in looking at the will at the bottom, is that his signature?
yes,
And on the date, on January 1st, 2010, was he at least 18 years of age?
oh, yes,
And was he of sound mind to your knowledge?
yes.
Okay, I have no further questions, Your Honor.
No questions? Okay, anything else, Ms. Dennis?
No, that was it, Judge. And I
Yeah, I didn't.
apologize for jumping the gun.
Oh, that's okay. I didn't realize it was holographic will. I actually, I hadn't seen the will this morning, so.
Okay, so we just now upload the oath and the proofs to the clerks, right, by e-filing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll get that done today.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ladies. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Well.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Gabe, will you send them to me again too, please? This has never happened, Gabe. Don't scare off. Can you hear me?
You blame it on Gabe.
It's never happened. I don't know what's going on with me. So we're going to go ahead. I think Lila's supposed to be in on this one. We got a hold of her. And really everybody else is on the 1030 ones, and Gabe's fixing to send you 1030 instructions along with me, and we'll just finish them all out. If
So
that's okay.
it's different for the
So-
1030.
Yeah. He's trying to
Yeah,
say we should
I
still.
just got it.
some-
All right.
Anybody
So
else in there?
Lila's coming in on this one, you said, right?
Yeah, she should be.
Get her, and then we'll go over to the other one.
That'll work.
All right, sorry about that. So you should be getting the invitation to the 1031 now.
I got mine.
All right.
I got it. Okay.
But we have one more, Gabe, on this 10 o'clock one, I think that should be.
Okay. We'll just stick around in here then. If
No, they should be on. Hang
see, I
on.
think I can also start the other one at 10:30 and just let it sit in the background and not allow people in just yet. Actually, oh shoot, maybe I can't.
Are y'all on the 10 o'clock one? Well, we're here. Hi, Gabe. Lila says they're on, but they don't see anybody. There's Mr. Jackson. Robin, can I have my other piece of paper? Did you get a hold of Lacey?
No.
You want to go, Mr. Jackson, can he hear us? We want to go ahead and do him.
Danny, if you'll unmute.
Well, the judge can't hear.
Can you hear me?
I
Let
can
me
hear you
send
now,
the
sir.
Go back to the original instructions,
Are you
the 10:30.
you testifying, Danny?
I am.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're giving today is true and correct?
I do.
All right, you can proceed on the state of Luis Heredia.
I'm here on the estate of
10:30, I think.
Dow for Miss Dung Dow Heredia
No.
regarding Mr. Lewis Heredia, who died on November the 11th, 2020 in Dayton Chambers County, Texas. He was 68 years of age at the date of his death. He died with a will which has been filed with the court as his last will and testament. He died in Chambers County with that will. He died, the will is dated December 21st, 2015. It was a necessity for the administration of the estate. It's self-proved, and we're asking the court to enter that as his last will and testament. No state, no governmental agency or charitable organization was named as the devicee, and no child was born to or adopted after the making of this will. He was married to Miss John Dahl Heredia at the time of his death, and he names her as the independent executor. We'd like the court to appoint her as the independent executor of the will. And she's not disqualified for making
Charlene.
that capacity. That's all the testimony we have, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Hereby admit the will of probate and authorized letters.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate
Thank you. Take care, Danny.
you later.
All right, so Lola's not getting on?
she's gonna go on the 10:30 one.
All right, so we're gonna exit out of here and go to the 10:30.
Let's do that.
All right, see y'all over there.